Clutter by the door can mess up your day. Here's our guide to organizing an entryway, like this one. But first, let's take a look at what a family would normally keep by the door. That's a lot of stuff. So let's divide and conquer. Pack seasonal stuff into boxes. We'll come back to it later. Collect your giveaways and donate them for another round of life. Yeah! Now for the daily stuff. Let's divide this even more into piles of bulky things, shoes, bags, small, easy-to-lose objects, and coats. Now the sorting's done, it's time for planning and building. Start by thinking about everyone's routines and behaviors. These can change a lot, so look for general habits. First, there's stuff you carry in and need to set down. These bulky things stay by the door, so they're not in the way. Next, it's time for shoes to come off. Work with the height of your space. Put most worns down where they're easy to grab, and less frequently worn shoes at the top. Way down, a drip tray prevents outdoor gunk from dirtying the floor. Now put away bags. Use hooks for handbags and a tiny trash bag for scraps and receipts. Heavy backpacks are hard to hang, so dump them here without making a mess. Then empty pockets. Important things like keys and cards get specific homes in a don't forget it station, so you don't waste time searching. Each person gets a basket too, so they can dump accessories and other small, easy-to-lose objects. A big clock keeps you on schedule, and a doormat helps keep the house clean too. Coats and jackets come off next, where everyone has a spot to hang them up, or pile them up if they're in a hurry. Baskets help contain the mess. Remember the seasonal stuff? Everything lives up high, so it's out of the way until the time's right. And the back of the door gets a spot for final checks. Ta-da! Almost. Since an entryway is a first impression, we used a curtain to hide the storage and add some personality. These ways of thinking work in tight spots too. Just shrink your solution, share more, and cut down on the door necessities. There's still room for what you're carrying, wearing, storing, and not forgetting. Just remember, identify general habits and sort stuff into groups. Then you'll be on your way to an organized entryway.